For the first part, I'm going to slice up the little baby potatoes. They're really small. Just cut them into little quarters. And then just drizzle them with some of this olive oil and some Old Bay. Now I'm gonna toss them in the oven and let them cook for a little bit. All right, here's what they're looking like. I'm about to throw them in the oven for 15 to 20 minutes. Okay, I searched and looked for recipes, so I think I have it. I think I have them. I'm using like 2 sticks of butter. Crazed person. Some butter. A little bit of chicken broth or chicken stack. So I got a 1/2 cup, but that was for 1 stick of butter. I'm doubling the recipe, so 1 cup of that. A teaspoon of garlic powder or garlic salt. Okay. Some onion powder. About a teaspoon of that. Crushed red pepper flakes. About a teaspoon of that. Some cayenne pepper. How about a 1/2 teaspoon? About a 1/2 teaspoon of that. Some Old Bay. A tablespoon. What else? Oh, brown sugar. Another tablespoon of that. Am I missing anything? Some Sloppy Mama. Okay, I'm gonna pop it in the microwave. Here's what it's looking like so far. I didn't mix it up or anything. Here is the sauce. Very buttery and garlicky. It smells good. We're just gonna dump it over everything. And I forgot to mention that I added lemon pepper seasoning also. I almost forgot it. Let me mix this up. And grab some aluminum foil. Here's what it's looking like. I got it covered with foil and I'm gonna put it in at 375 for about 25 minutes. 25 to 30 minutes until the little onions are translucent and soft. Can't think of the words. They're evading me, eluding me. Lord. 25 to 30 minutes until the onions are done. Okay, be back. Look, the middle of that onion popped out. Delicious. Now let's look at it. Don't look at my crappy eggs either. Close your eyes. I'm stupid. That's what it's looking like. Looking good. Tiny little thumbs up. He's got an egg.
Egg.
Mm-hmm. There you go.
The yolk came out.
It's garlicky and buttery and spicy. That onion is phenomenal. It's sweet. So good. Ooh, ah. And you can peel it apart like real onions. Bye.